Nvidia just handed solo operators something powerful. It used to require enterprise budgets to access. It is free, it is open source, and it is called NemoClaw. AI agents have been a Silicon Valley headline for a while now, but this is the moment they become something you can actually build a real service business on. Stay with me. Hey, what is going on? I am Paul James. This channel is about one thing. Free AI tools are potent enough to compete with agencies that have much larger teams. That is the whole premise of this channel. If you are new here, today is a great place to start. This is one of those videos where everything starts to click. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Let me tell you why this matters before I explain what NemoClaw actually does. For the past few years, businesses have been sold on AI through chatbots. A little pop-up window on the website, a few pre-programmed replies, maybe a basic FAQ flow, and they call that an AI strategy. That is not a strategy. That is a dressed up FAQ page. The real shift is not from no AI to a chatbot. The real shift is from chatbots to agents. Here is the difference, and it is everything. A chatbot sits and waits for input. You talk to it, it talks back. That is the whole loop. An AI agent does not wait for you. It takes action on its own. It connects to software. It reads incoming data. It makes a decision and executes the next task. No human has to manually push it forward. That is a completely different category of tool. Here's where things get interesting. Nvidia is the company powering the hardware behind most AI infrastructure on the planet right now. They are building a platform for businesses to put agents to work inside their operations at scale. They are calling it NemoClaw. It is planned as open source, which means free to build on. Nvidia has already started showing the platform to major enterprise software companies, Salesforce, Cisco, Adobe, and others at that level. That alone tells you exactly how serious this is. Most people who see this story assume it is only relevant to large technology organizations. That is the wrong read, and that exact misread is where your opportunity lives. Let me introduce you to what I call the Silent Workforce Protocol. This is the framework for understanding what NemoClaw actually makes possible for freelancers and service businesses. The idea is simple. Instead of billing hours, you build a layer of AI agents that handles a client's repetitive operations. Nobody has to supervise those agents step by step. The client's business keeps running, sequences keep completing, tasks keep moving, and the system you built is what makes all of that happen. NemoClaw is being designed as the foundation layer that makes this kind of deployment real. Not a demo environment, not a proof of concept that breaks under real conditions. An actual infrastructure layer you can build services on top of. Stay with me, because what separates NemoClaw from earlier agent tools is worth knowing. First, it is hardware agnostic. Your client does not need Nvidia chips to run it. That removes the biggest barrier for small and mid-sized businesses. Second, Nvidia is building security and privacy tools directly into the platform. That is a core design choice. Earlier, agent tools had real vulnerability problems that spooked enterprise buyers. Nvidia is solving that problem from the start. Third, NemoClaw builds on top of the Nemo ecosystem Nvidia already developed. That means there is proven infrastructure underneath it. Developers are not starting from scratch. Now let me make this practical. Let me show you what the Silent Workforce Protocol looks like inside a real client engagement. Think about a chiropractic office. Every week, that office handles new patient intake. It handles appointment reminders. It handles post-visit follow-up messages. It chases down patients who have not rebooked in a while. Every one of those is repetitive. Everyone follows a predictable pattern. An agent workflow built around NemoClaw handles all of it. The front desk does not manually touch each step anymore. Here is how the workflow actually runs. A new patient fills out a contact form. The agent sends a personalized welcome message immediately. It books the intake call automatically. It fires a reminder the morning before the appointment. It sends a check-in 2 days after the visit. It flags the patient for a re-engagement sequence if 60 days pass without a new booking. That is not one task. That is a complete operations layer running on its own. And that is what businesses pay ongoing retainers for. Most people never realize how many businesses have this exact problem. They just do not have the language to describe what is missing yet. The same logic applies across dozens of industries. Real estate teams tracking leads through a follow-up sequence. Accounting firms collecting documents before a filing deadline. Home renovation contractors qualifying leads before a consultation call. Any business running the same communication patterns over and over is a candidate for this. If a human is manually pushing each one forward, you can build the system that automates it. And here is what that means for your service business specifically. You are not just selling automation, you are selling a result. The dental office does not want to hear about AI agents. They want to stop losing patience to slow follow-up. The contractor does not want a tech lecture. They want leads to convert at a higher rate without adding headcount. When you frame NemoClaw-based services around the outcome, not the technology, the sales conversation gets much easier. I remember working out of my brother's garage, trying to build something that could compete with people who had full teams behind them. The leverage I needed was in tools like this. I just did not have access to them then. That gap is closed now. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Here is the angle almost nobody mentions yet. It is the most important one for anyone who wants to move early on this opportunity. NemoClaw is open source. That means the developer community starts building on top of it fast after launch. Within months, you will see industry-specific agent templates, pre-built workflow packages, integrations with tools your clients already use, community-built plugins for common business scenarios. The freelancers who already understand the platform will be positioned to move fast. They can grab those resources and apply them to client work. Most of the broader market will not even know those resources exist yet. That is the compounding advantage of moving early, not just using the tool, understanding the space well enough to offer it as a service before saturation hits. Here is a scenario that shows the full picture. Picture a bookkeeping firm with 3 staff members. Each month they onboard new clients, they collect financial documents, they chase down missing items before the filing deadline. Right now, someone on the team spends real hours every week manually managing those back and forth sequences. You build a NemoClaw-based workflow for them. A new client signs the engagement letter. The agent kicks off automatically. Document requests go out the same day. A reminder fires if items are not received by the deadline. The review call gets scheduled without anyone manually sending a calendar link. That firm stops managing sequences and starts reviewing exceptions only. That is leverage. That is a service worth a real setup fee and a monthly retainer to maintain. Here is something else worth understanding. Nvidia is not building NemoClaw out of charity. More businesses running AI agents means more compute demand downstream. More compute demand means more demand for Nvidia infrastructure. They are building the on-ramp by making the entry free. That alignment of incentives means Nvidia will put serious resources into making NemoClaw work. This is not a side project for them. It is strategic. Here is the twist almost nobody is talking about. When a powerful open source platform has serious institutional backing, the ecosystem around it accelerates fast. Templates, plugins, and pre-built integrations start landing quickly. The service providers who understand the foundation early can grab those resources and deploy them for clients. They do this before most of the market even knows those resources are available. Picture what your workflow looks like 30 days from now if you start mapping client processes today. Every sequence being pushed manually, every follow-up that falls through the cracks, every onboarding step that eats someone's time. That is your service offering inventory. NemoClaw becomes the engine. You become the person who builds and maintains the system. That is the business. And here is what makes this moment different from every other AI tool drop. Most platforms at this level come with licensing costs or vendor lock-in. Hardware requirements alone cut out most smaller operators. NemoClaw is being built without any of those walls. Open source means you build on it, customize it, and own what you create. The businesses paying you do not need to know what is running underneath, they just see the results. That is the kind of leverage that changes what a one-person operation can actually deliver. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.